Can a soccer ball stop a war? In the hills of Rio de Janeiro, two gangs did not smile. They did not talk. They only fought. Guns were loud. People were scared. This was life in the favela. But one day, something changed. Ju-on was 17. He loved soccer. His shoes were old, and his ball was full of patches. But he still played every day. His team was red side. Miguel was also 17. He played for blue side. His ball was also old. He played in the same favela, but they never played together. The gangs hated each other. Then, one hot morning, a boy shouted, "Stop! No more fighting." It was Pedro, Ju-on's little brother. He stood between both gangs, shaking. "Why do we fight?" he asked. "Why not play a game?" Everyone laughed. "A game?" "Yes," Pedro said. "One game, one ball. Red side versus blue side. Winner takes the field. No more war." The leaders looked at each other, and then they agreed. The news spread fast. The favela final is coming. Children danced. Old people cleaned the streets. Mothers cooked feijoada. Even the police smiled. For the first time in years, the community had hope. On Sunday, the favela stopped. People sat on roofs. Some climbed trees. A radio played samba. The ball dropped. Ju-on ran fast. Miguel blocked him. They kicked. They passed. They laughed. Yes, laughed. "Nice shot," Ju-on said. "You too," Miguel replied. The score was 1-1, 5 minutes left. Ju-on had the ball. He ran. Miguel was in front of him, but Ju-on stopped. He smiled. He passed the ball to Miguel. Miguel looked shocked. He kicked. Goal. Blue side won. Silence. Then cheers. Loud, happy cheers. People cried. They hugged. Even the gang leaders clapped. Ju-on and Miguel held hands. "No more war," Ju-on said. "Only football," Miguel smiled. That night, there were no gunshots. Only music. And under the stars, two boys sat on the field, one red, one blue. One favela, one game, one future. Because sometimes a soccer ball can stop a war.